Good morning everyone here. So this is a early morning of this one by edition. So with a time check within 6 a.m. in the morning here. We're here in this analyze of these games here. So the name of this one by tournaments here. So it means Speed Chess Women's Championships 2026. So it is not about face-to-face here but also online chess. So without speed chess, so includes blitz or bullets here. For example, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and 1 minute of this one with time clocks of display games here. So it is today's round number 1 and also have a between by USA by International Master Alice Lee with the faces by versus by Switzerland Grandmaster Alexandra Costinho. So in this today's round number 1 or round number 16 by Blitz. So what do you think both Lee versus Costinho? So this is a problem mistake, brand X and blunder ratio. So no more brilliant sacrifice move. And there is a excellent great move against good move. So what do you think about the online chess within Speed Chess Women's Championships here? So let's see if this one will proceed up this next play games here. Okay, white pieces against with USA in International Master Alice Lee and the faces by black pieces in Switzerland Grandmaster Alexandra Costinho. So look at see of this one with pictures here. So Costinho was changed of her profile picture in this PD accounts here. So without time clocks, 3 minutes and plus 2 seconds increments without blitz chess. So it means game number 8 here. So in this part of this videos here in this Women's Speed Chess Championships 2026 and also having analyzed of the standings after round number 1. So before we start, so don't forget by game number 5 by Chess Face to Face here by tournament 2026 between Reston versus me. So I will update up this one with this week here of this played chess here. Okay, let's start here. So white plays Lee is knight f3, d5 by Costinho, g3, knight d7, and also pawn d4, and also knight b6. So it means it is called by this one with openings here. King's Indian attacks here. So this is based by this one. It is called by variations here. So maybe by this one by knight b6 here. Why knight b6? So it means this is a maneuver here. So maneuvers knight b6 here by Costinho, or maybe with that idea by next exchange move by knight c4. So this is a strong powerful against that. So because this is a important here. And also bishop g2 by this one by Lee here with that upcoming by castling king side here. And also bishop f5 by Costinho here. And also a4. So what the plans or a5 is a strong powerful by Lee here. And also pawn a5. So no more by strong here because this is a move by shield against controls here by Costinho here. Castling king side by Lee. And also pawn e6 by Costinho. Knight c3 by Lee and also knight f6 by this one by Costinho. And also knight d2. So without maneuvers by this one with Lee, this is a maneuver to exchange move with the idea to next passing by maneuvers knight b3. Or maybe here by knight to c5. Strong powerful against that. And also with Costinho is bishop e7 without upcoming by next castling king side here by Costinho by GM. And also pawn e4. Because pawn e4, so this is a more of this one with creating e4 to making by job. With the idea by threatening the bishop and pawns. So with the pawns with the attacks this one. And also with that d takes captured by Costinho. Knight takes captured. And also pawn c6 or maybe with pawn c6 by Costinho but not yet ready by castling by Costinho because chooses with the idea by this one c6 is a pawns here. And also with that Lee is pawn b3 with next of dark square bishop b2 with the Tianquetos attacks here and also knight bd5 with the controls by this one with Costinho here without or maybe with knights here by threatening the knights or maybe here by defense by knights here. And also with that idea is bishop b2 by this one with Lee here and also knight takes captured and also knight takes f6 so with the controls here. or maybe by this one with captured, so it means this is a different shape against that to making by job here. So with that explained, for example here, in accept, why don't we knight captured here? If you knight capture c3 here, and also pawn h5. So pawn h5, if you pawn to h4 here, and also queen c7. Queen c7 and also queen e2. So this is a goods for examples by slightly better. So another, okay, another here. So it means first, if you bishop captured, why don't we bishop captured first by knights here? And also knight captured here, bishop captured, and also queen e2. So it means so queen e2 with idea by with queens here by threatening the bishop here. And it decided by this one is bishop to g6. So this is a according by second examples here. So this is a goods for slightly better ones of this computer engine. Okay, so back there with the chooses by Lee, decided knight takes captured by chooses. Why knight takes captured? Without Alice Lee, chooses knight captured. So why don't we knight captured here with the first of knights captured c3? So realize here to choose by Alice Lee. So this is a part by this one by chooses knight captured f6 here. And also with the Kostyuk bishop captured with knights here. Bishop captured knights, and also castling kingside by this one by Kostyuk here. So without castling, and also queen d2. So this is a new move by Lee of novelty of this one by chess.com. So this is the old main lines here. By old main lines is pawn g4 is a old main lines. So with a queen d2 new move. So new move by this one with Lee here. Queen c7 by Kostyuk. So I used by creating by arrows because so I forgot something by difficulty. So part of this one with online here by this with women's speed chess championships here. So this is a queen c7. So with that idea to realize to next exchange move is rook a d8 or rook f d8. So this is a part by exchange move. So with that idea to move side by rook d7 without upcoming by battery here. So this is a according by this one by research by watching by YouTube here. And also with that decided this one is rook fd1 by Lee, queens behind the rooks, and also rook fd8. Or maybe without controls by rook d files here. Without controls rook d files with the idea by move side by rook d7 without becoming by battery. So this is a part of this one with plannings here. And decided by this one by rook ac1 against rook pairs against Lee, h6 by this one by Kostyuk, and also h4, rook d7 with Kostyuk upcoming by battery, move side here by this one, rook d7, so does not like of this computer engine. So the best move this one is bishop g4, threatening the rooks. If you rook e1, and also queen b6. So according this one by etc. So computer engine. So this is a goods for slightly betters with blacks. So with that decided by back there is rook d7 by Kostyuk. Rook d7 upcoming by battery. By creating by this one with arrows. Queen e3 by used by this one by Lee to provide here. So with that creating by job by queen. So this is a openings by rooks here. So part of this one, this is a pawns or behind the rooks here. And also, without battery, rook 88 by this one by Kostyuk, rook d2 upcoming by battery. I use by creating arrows to making by job here. So without job by battery with double rooks. h5 by this one by Kostyuk here. And also bishop f3 without precise by controls by bishop against light square. And also g6 by this one by Kostyuk. Battery, rook cd1 by Lee, bishop backwards g7 by Kostyuk, and also bishop e4. Challenge light square bishop to bishop. Accepted bishop captured, queen takes, and also rook d5 controls by strong powerful defense here, by pawns here, and also bishop backwards b2, what the plans, or maybe here by backwards rook c1 and rook a3. So this is a part here. So with rook c1 and bishop c1 and bishop a3. So this is a exchange by plannings here. And also, we got decided by this one by queen b6 by this one by continue. And also queen e3 with a movement by this one. So this is a given bad move by Lee of this computer. So the best move is c4. c4 threatening the rooks. If you rook f5 here, and also rook d3. So this is a goods for slightly better for white's part of this one with computer engine with white's advantage here. So back there this one by Lee, queen e3 here, king h7. What the miss by continue? To the miss the better is e5 pawns, threatening the pawns here. So it means if you bishop backward c1 here, and also e takes capture, threatening the queens, and decided queen d3. So this is a part of this one by computer engine, etc, etc. So this is a goods for slightly better for whites. So back there this one is decided king h7 by continue, queen f3. With the idea by plannings by Lee to plannings threatening the pawns, free pawns against with pawn f7 here. And also rook f5 defense here, because rook f5 by continue, so rook's defense by f7 without rooks threatening the disturbance eliminates the queens here. And also with the allies is queen e4, precise here by good determinations by Alice Lee here, and also queen b4. Okay, with queen b4, strong powerful against that to realize against with continue here, and also rook d3, strong powerful defense by pawns, and also queen backwards e7. Precise is a differentiate, so determinations against with controls, or maybe with the idea by this one with plannings queen f6, or next by this one by rook d5, plannings with the threatening the pawns, and also with the bishop here. So bishop threatening the pawns. So realize to create by plannings on how it is powerful to strong against with differentiate by with according by mathematicians with chess. So this is a according by math subject here. And also decided properly active king g2 by this one by Lee, rook fd5. What a precise, perfect with a focusing by continue, because with idea by queen here, plannings queen f6, because this is a bishop, so queens move exchange queen f6 or rooks here. So first bishop here, so first bishop threatening the pawns to continue by precise here. And also with the pawn c4, what a perfect by Lee, threatening the rooks. Rook 5 d7 backwards by continue, bishop c3. With idea to plannings eliminates the pawns, free pawns against attacking the pawns here. And defense by this one by continue, rook a8. And also strong powerful d5 attacks the pawns, captured, bishop captured with bishop, rook takes captured. I'm sorry I forgot something, so let's preview from this one. So with that explained here, okay, with that explained, for example, so in accept, wait, so in accept, why don't we captured here? If your pawn takes d5, because the pawn captured, opening challenge by queen to queen. So this is a part by queen to queen. If your queen captured accepted, rook captured queens, and also bishop captured g7, king captured bishop. So according this one by computer engine, so this is a goods for slightly better ones of this computer engine. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop captured accepted with continue, rook takes captured, and also queen b4. So with that movement with idea, challenge queen to queen, another bad move by continue, because the queen's threatening the rooks and challenged by this one with queen to queen here. So it means, so the best move this one, once a currency, the best is rook a6 is a perfect shot. So this is a goods for slightly betters with blacks. So back there is queen b4 with a challenge by queen to queen, and with the queen's planning threatening the rooks here. And also with that Lee, queen captured accepted with challenge, captured threatening the rooks, and also rook c4 with Lee. So it is okay by evaluation bar. Look at C. So white's highest evaluation bar. So the problem, so this is a rook c4, so this is a blunderatious. So what happened? So the best move once computed this one, so computer engine is rook cd3 is a best battery. So this is a part of this one by computer engine. So this is a goods for slightly better score whites here. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, so back there, this one is battery. Not battery, rook c4. I forgot something by battery. So rook c4 is a blunderatious by Lee. Capture this pawn, threatening the rooks. Rook captured pawn. So it means, so no more by plusing by equals here. So it means rook captured b4. And also battery against rook 88 by continue. Rook dd4 with that controls fourth rank. And also king g7, another bad move again by continue. So the best move this one is rook c8 here. Perfect shot by computer engine. So this is a good for slightly better for blacks. So back there is king g7, rook b6. What happened? So it means, so this is a X by Lee. So it means rook b5 is a better move. So better move is a better move by perfect shot here. So rook b6 by this one by Lee here. King f8 properly active, miss move by mistake, worst move. So it means rook c8 is a miss move by better move here. So it means so back there is king f8 by this one by continue. King f3, another worst move with Lee. So the best move, best is rook b5 is a miss move. So miss move against here. So rook b5 again. So it means so back there this one is king f3 by this one by Lee. King e7, another worst move by continue. So the best move is rook e8 is a better move. So without better moves, so this is a goods for slightly betters. Okay, so back there this one is king e7 by continue. a5 defense the pawns, rooks. Without pawns, defense by rook. So another worst move against by Lee. So the better is king e3. So king e3 is a best move. So this is a goods for slightly better here. So a5 defense by rooks by Lee. Rook c8, what happened by continue? So without rook c8, with the idea by this one by rook c3 with check. So this is a given bad move by computer engine. So does not like of the movement by this one by continue. So the perfect shot, the rooks threatening the pawns is rook a8 here. Rook is threatening the pawns. So this is a goods for slightly betters because to realize here, so this is a threatening the pawns. So rooks against attacks the pawns here. Okay, so back there this one is rook c8 against with continue with idea by plannings by rook c3 with check here. So this is a part by check here. King backwards g2, what happened by Lee? So this is a given bad move. So it means that the best once computed the battery is rook d b4 battery. If you rook c3 check here and also king e2. King e2, if you rook c5 here and also rook 4b5 battery. So with that battery, rooks threatening the rooks here and also with the rook cc7 ignorance here. So this is a goods for slightly betters against with whites and blacks here. So it means back there this one is king g2 by Lee and also rook c6 with a challenge rook to rook avoided by Lee. With that explained, if you rook captured accepted here, b takes captured it. So how many pawns? 5, versus 5. So number of equal pawns, same by rook to rook here. So this is a good once of these computer engines, for example, here. So back there is avoided by Lee, rook b5. Battery, rook cd6, another against with bad move by Coutinho. So the best move, this one is pawn b6 is a better move. So pawn b6, if you a takes captured pawns here, and also rook b7 with rooks here. So look at this one by rooks with a double attack, so threatening the pawns. So threats the pawns and decided battery, rook db4. So according this one, so this is a good score, slightly better against with blacks. So back there is battery, rook cd6 by Coutinho and king f1. So this is a brand X by Lee. Worst move. So that's not like of this computer engine. So the better is rook b d4 battery. So the battery here. So this is a good for advantage. So king f1 by Lee, king a6 by Coutinho, properly active. Rook b4. So this is a perfect shot because this is a late move. And also d4. Oh my god. So this is a Mr. Blunderation. What happened by this one by Coutinho? Look at see of this one with below evaluation bar or lowest evaluation bar by Coutinho plus highest by Lee with white pieces. So this is a mark double question mark. So the best move of this one, once of this computer engine is decided by rook a6 is a perfect shot. So this is a good for slightly better against with blacks. So it means so d4 blunder ratios. Okay, so the first tips for guessing puzzle. What do you think about the focusing by 15 years old Alice Lee with an excellent, perfect, good, precise, great move? First guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Rook captured b7. Excelente with Lee. Challenged by rook to rook. And also dt. So it means, for example, so if your rook captured accepted, why do you move by rook captured accepted? If you rook captured, and also movement by d3. So that upcoming by promotes the queens. So this is a easy against that. So without movement here, or maybe by rooks here. So it means, let's try it. If you rook here, rook b6, and also rook captured accepted, takes, and also here d2 and king e2. So cannot move by promotes queen. So this is a kings here. So this is a easy wins for whites here because the pawns upcoming by this one promotes, so cannot almost by movement by king. So without movement, so this is a promotes by queens here. So this is easy wins for whites here. So back there, this one is decided by chooses by Coutinho d3 with the upcoming by promotes the queens here, and decided rook captured accepted, king takes captured, and also king e1. What the another excellent perfect shot by Alice Lee. So cannot move here. If you move by this one with check, so it means this is a king d1. So this is a according by realized to idea to exchange by moves here. Rook d5 by Coutinho with rooks threatening the pawns here. So look at c by threats the pawns here. And also defense by rook a4 by Lee. King c6 and also king d2 with the idea to move property active by Alice Lee. King b5 threatening the rooks. And also a6 with a almost by upcoming by promotes the queen. So how many flocks by timers with 13 seconds by Lee versus 4 seconds by Coutinho? almost running out of time because this is a part by blitz by 3 minutes here. Rook d8 and also last shot a7 with a decided is almost time out with time or time out with running out of time by Coutinho. 0-0 times up. So it means, so why she lose here? So for example, if you king to if you king b6 here, only move here and decided by promotes the queens. So rook captured here, rook captured because this is a almost without coming by, without movement by rook f8 to threatening the pawns to, we need to empty shot here, so it means king without movement here by pawns here. So king captured pawn, so it means you cannot move here, so it means realize captured. So this is a captured, so it means black's game over, so it means easy wins for whites. Okay, congratulations by this one by Alice Lee. Congratulations. So proceed by this one by quarterfinal. So it means Grandmaster Alexander Coutinho knocked out against round number 1 here. Okay, so I will next up this one with, I will choose by analyze between Hu Yifan versus Dinara Wagner. So I will create by Tagalog Sensei bonus by part 2, and also the next of Rose Atwell versus Divya Leshma. And the next up this one by quarterfinals, I choose up this game within Ju Wenjun with first women champion versus Alice Lee. Okay, so I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka I call Mark 17. So my name is Mark Luwagi. And don't forget by notification bells here by subscribe by YouTube account Mark Luwagi 17 part 1 English only, and Mark Luwagi 17 part 2 by Tagalog Sensei bonus. And don't forget by views. Need views, watch of these videos here, so almost by millions of viewers and likes of this one. And also don't forget by comments here by community standards, so need more respect here, so do not negative comments here. Okay, so keep updates of this next chess updates. Happy morning and bye bye.